Hey there, my name's Dr. Nick and I'm a chiropractor in Iowa. You may have seen my name once or twice in the community forum, but if you didn't know, I'm also a Jane ambassador. Today, I'm here to take a focused look at some of my favorite Jane features. I've been using Jane since I opened my practice 6 years ago, and I do pretty much everything without staff, so Jane and I are basically besties at this point. Let's talk about one of the most underrated power features in Jane, searching. Not just searching for patients or appointments, but searching for help when you're deep in the trenches solving problems. First up, the Need Help button. You'll see this little button hanging out in the top right corner of Jane at all times. Click it and boom, you've got access to various levels of help. At the top is an AI search bot which combs through the Jane guide for you. You can stick with the bot or just jump onto the Jane guide where you can search here as well for pretty much any topic under the sun. Whether it's setting up insurance billing, building a chart template, or figuring out how to deal with a rejected claim, there's a step-by-step guide or even a video walkthrough at times waiting for you. Honestly, the Jane guide is where most of my knowledge on Jane software has come from. It's like having a friendly, knowledgeable Jane teammate sitting right beside you. Now, if you find yourself in need of one of those Jane team members, that's a part of the Need Help area too. You can call Jane, chat with Jane, or send an email. Support hours are listed here as well as some other notable areas like information on the demo clinic or a link to the feature request page. That's a great place to submit your ideas or vote on ideas others have submitted to help Jane's product development team. There's a lot to this Need Help button, so be sure to take a look. Next up, the search bar in your settings. This one's a gem when you're making changes behind the scenes. Just head to settings and you'll find a search bar at the top. Type in whatever you're looking to change. Maybe it's online booking rules, the language in a cancellation email, your intake form, branding, anything. Jane pulls up the exact section you need so you don't have to scroll through every setting manually. Big time saver. Finally, the search bar in billing. This one's for all of my insurance users out there. When you're troubleshooting a claim, scroll down to the bottom of the claim submissions section. You're likely familiar with categories here like draft, rejected, submitted, waiting on primary, but take a look at the last option. There's a sneaky little search bar where you can type in a patient's name and find every claim associated with them. You can filter several areas to narrow your search if needed, but once you find the claim you need, hit the View button. A side panel pops up with lots of information about the claim. There's submission details, responses, and other details. Jane even throws in a direct link to the remittance advice, so you don't have to search through remittances you've already reviewed. This has saved me so many headaches when trying to track down exactly what happened with a claim. I was shocked when a Jane team member showed me this tool on a phone call. I missed this time-saving tool for nearly 4 years of using Jane, so I'm here to share that information with you. Anyway, that's it. 3 simple but powerful ways to search smarter in Jane. Thanks so much for tuning in and learning about some of my favorite Jane features. I hope this gives you some ideas and helps you get even more out of your Jane account.